two-digit math. Let's learn how to add and take away bigger numbers. Welcome to Reaby, the Learning Lab. Today, we're going on a math adventure where you'll learn how to add two-digit numbers. Add with regrouping. Subtract two-digit numbers. Subtract with regrouping. And solve mixed problems. Let's get started. Let's start by adding two-digit numbers. This is crate 23. It has 2 10s and 3 1s. This is crate 14. It has 1 10 and 4 1s. When we add two-digit numbers, we add the 10s and we add the 1s. Let's add the 1s. 3 1s plus 4 1s equals 7 1s. Now let's add the 10s. 2 10s plus 1 10 equals 3 10s. So 23 plus 14 equals 37. Let's try adding the crates vertically. Let's add the 1s. 3 1s plus 4 1s equals 7 1s. Now let's add the 10s. 2 10s plus 1 10 equals 3 10s. So 23 plus 14 equals 37. Challenge time! Challenge 1. What's 34 plus 25? Correct, 59. Challenge 2. What's 26 plus 11? Correct, 37. Challenge 3. What's 52 plus 17? Correct, 69. Now let's add and make a new 10. This is crate 27. It has 2 10s and 7 1s. This is crate 16. It has 1 10 and 6 1s. Let's add, starting with the 1s first. 7 1s plus 6 1s equals 13 1s. But wait, 13 1s is too many 1s in the 1s place. Every 10 1s makes one new 10. So we regroup. We trade 10 1s for 1 10. And we have 3 1s left. Now let's add the 10s. 1 regrouped 10 plus 2 10s plus 1 10 equals 4 10s. So 4 10s plus 3 1s equals 43. Let's do another one. This is crate 53. It has 5 10s and 3 1s. This is crate 29. It has 2 10s and 9 1s. Let's add, starting with the 1s first. 3 1s plus 9 1s equals 12 1s. Again, 12 1s is too many 1s in the 1s place. So we regroup. We trade 10 1s for 1 10. And we have 2 1s left. Now let's add the 10s. 1 regrouped 10 plus 5 10s plus 2 10s equals 8 10s. So 8 10s plus 2 10s equals 82. Challenge time! Challenge 1. What's 38 plus 25? Correct, 63. 3 1s and 1 regrouped 10 carried over to make 6. Challenge 2. What's 25 plus 15? Correct, 40. 0 1s left over and 1 regrouped 10 carried over to make 4. Challenge 3. What's 28 plus 23? Correct, 51. 1 1 left over and 1 regrouped 10 carried over to make 5. Great regrouping. Now let's take away. This is crate 54. It has 5 10s and 4 1s. This is crate 23. It has 2 10s and 3 1s. Crate 23 is leaving. That means we need to subtract, which is the same as taking away. When we subtract two-digit numbers, we subtract the 1s first, and then we subtract the 10s. Let's subtract the 1s. 4 1s subtract 3 1s equals 1 1. Now let's subtract the 10s. 5 10s subtract 2 10s equals 3 10s. So, 54 subtract 23 equals 31. Let's try subtracting the crates vertically. Let's subtract the ones. 4 ones subtract 3 ones equals 1 1. Now let's subtract the tens. 5 tens subtract 2 tens equals 3 tens. So, 54 subtract 23 equals 31. Challenge time! Challenge 1. What is 47 minus 25? Correct, 22. Challenge 2. What is 26 minus 11? Correct, 15. Challenge 3. What is 68 minus 14? Correct, 54. Now let's subtract and break apart a 10. This is crate 52. It has 5 tens and 2 ones. This is crate 38. It has 3 tens and 8 ones. Let's subtract, starting with the ones first. 2 ones subtract 8 ones equals... Wait, we can't do that. We don't have enough ones. When we don't have enough ones, we borrow 1 10. 1 10 equals 10 ones. We already have 2 ones there, so we have a total of 12 ones. So 12 ones subtract 8 ones equals 4 ones. Now let's subtract the tens. 4 tens subtract 3 tens equals 1 10. So 52 minus 38 equals 14. Let's do another one. This is crate 75. It has 7 tens and 5 ones. This is crate 29. It has 2 tens and 9 ones. Let's subtract, starting with the ones first. 5 ones subtract 9 ones equals... Again, we can't do that. We don't have enough ones. When we don't have enough ones, we borrow 1 10. 1 10 equals 10 ones. We already have 5 ones there, so we have a total of 15 ones. So 15 ones subtract 9 ones equals 6 ones. Now let's subtract the tens. 6 tens subtract 2 tens equals 4 tens. So 75 minus 29 equals 46. Challenge time! Challenge 1. What's 63 minus 27? Correct, 36. We borrow 1 10 from the 6 to make 13 and then subtract. Challenge 2. What's 74 minus 58? Correct, 16. We borrow 1 10 from the 7 to make 14 and then subtract. Challenge 3. What's 81 minus 46? Correct, 35. We borrow 1 10 from the 8 to make 11 and then subtract. Great borrowing! Let's try both together. A ship delivered crate 36 and another ship delivered crate 27. Do we add or do we subtract? Add. We add the ones first. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Regroup. 13 ones becomes 1 10 and 3 ones. Now add the tens. 3 tens plus 2 tens plus 1 regroup 10 equals 6 tens. So 36 plus 27 equals 63. Let's do another one. Crate 74 is on the dock and crate 58 is about to leave. Do we add or do we subtract? Subtract. We subtract the ones first. 4 subtract 8 equals. We don't have enough ones, so we need to borrow. We borrow 1 10. Now we have 6 tens and 14 ones. 14 ones subtract 8 ones equals 6 ones. Now the tens. 6 tens minus 5 tens equals 1 10. So 74 minus 58 equals 16. Challenge time! Challenge 1. A ship delivers crate 48 and 35. What do we do? Correct, we add 48 to 35 to get 83. Challenge 2. Crate 82 is on the dock and crate 47 is leaving. What do we do? Correct. We subtract 47 from 82 to get 35. Challenge 3. A ship delivers crate 59 and 18. What do we do? Correct. We add 59 to 18 to get 77. Challenge 4. Crate 91 is on the dock and crate 36 is leaving. What do we do? Correct. We subtract 36 from 91 to get 55. Wow, you did an amazing job today. We learned how to add two-digit numbers, add with regrouping, subtract two-digit numbers, subtract with regrouping, and solve mixed problems. You're a real math explorer. Want to keep getting better? Tap subscribe and join our learning team. We've got more fun lessons, games, and challenges just for you. And if you want to practice with quizzes or full math course adventures, check out everything waiting for you at Reaby, the Learning Lab. See you next time.